You wake up early, not for the gym, but for an international flight. Welcome back to SkyRouteX X. Flight SV708 from Riyadh, RUH, to Karachi, KHI, took off on March 24th, 2026. Scheduled departure, 06:55. But hey, life happens. Actual departure, 07:17. Aircraft, not basic at all. An Airbus A330-343, registration HZAQ17A. A comfy wide body for that smooth sky journey. Total flight time, 2 hours, 37 minutes. And finally, smooth landing in Karachi at 11:54 LNDDE. Status, landed. Safe, steady, and stylish. Life is kinda like this flight. A little delay doesn't mean failure. Don't be afraid of setbacks. Just don't cancel your journey. Keep going, keep grinding. Success needs flight time too. From Riyadh to Karachi, short trip, big story. Stay tuned with SkyRouteX X, because every flight has a story worth telling.